You do pretty good. You can tell the difference between the morning and the Eurasian, can't you?
Oh, size.
Yeah. Oh, there went another one we could have been tapping. They're coming in, Jimbo. Oh, watch your step there, buddy. There's a blooper. Oh.
Jesus.
Oh, that hurt. That smarts. It's going to leave a mark.
You alright?
Yeah, I'm fine. There's a blooper. Ooh. Oh. Here he comes, Jim. Here he comes. Oh, he's a goner. He's a goner. No, shoot him, Jim. Shoot him. What the heck? You got him, Jim. Get him, Copper. Get him, Clover. Good girl, Clover. You got him, Jim. Get him, Copper. Well. Dead bird, fetch you up, Clover. Good girl, Clover. Oh, right over us. Come on, Clover. Good girl. Boy, we could have been banging those. Come here, Clover. Good girl, Clover. Bring it here. Hold it, Clover. Hold it, hold it, hold it, hold it, hold it, hold it. Hold it. Hold it. Hold it, Copper. Bring it here, Copper. Hold it soft. Bring it here, Copper. Hold it. Hold it. I said hold it. What am I doing getting your birds? The first shell didn't even fire. Just barely did in my primer. If it... No, I don't know. I didn't see. Where'd he go? On the ditch? So he's on the ditch right here. That group of trees right in the middle.
Back, did it come back all right?
Yeah, it seems to be. Wow. Yeah, so I'm 2 for 2. That one cycled. Get him, Copper. Oh boy, it's rough for the little dogs. Good girl, Clover. Bring him here. That one cycled. I think. Hold it, hold it, hold it. Good girl. I didn't see it. You didn't act like you got hit. Whoa, 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 whoa. He did get another one. Fetch him up, Clover. Well, now I'm 2 birds for 4 shots. So 2 get that one. Hold it. Oh, Clover. Eurasian doves. Oh. Coming at us, Jim. Good boy, Copper. I'm 3 for 5. That one didn't cycle. Come here, Copper. Copper, bring here. Copper, bring here. Clover, leave him alone. Hold it. What's that? Yeah. Oh, here comes a couple of them. I got your back, Chief. See mine. Come here, guys. Mine just feels like got grit in it right now. And it does. There's a whole bunch of metal shavings in mine. I should have brought my gun oil and just blast this out. I got a feeling that's what I got going on. Well, yeah. And those are just minimally, they're not like hit. Okay, it's my turn to shoot here. I think there's a dove. No, those are tick birds. No, they're doves. Come on, little guys. Come on, little guys. Relax, guy. Relax. Oh, he's gonna do it. It's a long shot, but nothing.
Nice shot.
Flop. That one cycled. Good girl, Clover.
How much did you lead him?
Nothing. These are super hot.
Oh, yeah.
I didn't lead them at all. These are 1,450 feet per second. Drop it. Good girl, Clover. That's your Eurasian dove. Dropped him in the slop. Slopped him in the drop. Got that one. Oh, one came in behind us here. Oh, Jim, right in front, right in front. There's your shot.
Another dust.
Another one bites the dust. No, they're light primer hit strikes. I'm seeing them. That was a super light strike. Only if it's the shells, it just means they have it unusually hard. Come here, whoa, Clover, hold it, hold it, hold it. Good girl. There's your Eurasian dove. Okay, here comes one. If he comes over your side, yours, he's going to come over your side. You see him? See him? See him, Jim?
Yeah.
Coming right straight on the side of this little post. There's two more over there. Here's your shot. Take him. Get him, Copper. Get him, Copper. We just barely nicked him. That didn't cycle, did it? Well, if it cycles, don't pull it out. See, you're making. Now you got to reload it. Good girl, Clover. That's old Jimbo's. Bring here, Clover. Whoa, hold it, Clover. Hold it, hold it, hold it, hold it. Hold it, Clover. Oh, Clover. Oh. Jim, your bird's getting away. He's going to go down in. Get him, Copper. Clover, Clover. No, Clover took it from him. Now, if Copper, they quit playing. Hold it, Clover. Hold it. Whoa, hold it. Hold it. Clover. Hold it, Clover. Hold it. Hold it. Dang it. Here you go. You kill your bird. I'm tired of getting blood all over my gloves. There's Jim's bird. Hold it. Hold it, Clover. Oh, Clover. Oh. Jim, your bird's getting away. I wasn't about to waste a shot on that. I knew it couldn't go very far. You tried, but see, if you after that cycle's right, then you're going to have that problem.
I don't see why it's changing anything. Oh. Was he flying or lit?
No, he's flying. He's not flying anymore, though.
No.
No, he's not flying anymore. Good girl, Clover. Oh, there went two more over our heads. Good girl, Clover. Bring it here. Good girl. Whoa.
Right there. Oh, shit. Come around.
The average shot's probably about 20 to 30 yards, so it wouldn't hurt. That would give you a nice pattern out there. Oop. Yep, that was a good shot. And see, I'm not even closing my eyes looking down my barrel. That's the way I got to make sure I shoot. And that bird you just missed, you had entirely too much time to look at him. Good girl, Clover. Drop it. And that's where it gets to be tricky. So sometimes it's still better to leave that gun down and
pull up and fire.
Pull up and fire sometimes. You know, but if you're an aimer, you got to aim. I'm not an aimer. I'm a misser if I aim. There's another bird in the bag. this isn't bad. I mean,
Pretty good hunt.
yeah, and it's not so cold. A little breezy. There comes one right over the pipe here, coming right through our tree here. I'm pretty sure I'm gonna have to kill him, Jim, but he may whoop into this tree. But if he don't whoop into that tree, shoot him, Jim. Shoot him quick. Oh, you got him, Jim. Good thing it cycled. Oh, Copper, you lose. You lost, Copper. Clover already got it. Come on, Clover. Come on, Copper. Oh, son of a gun. You could have taken that one, too. I was fiddly farting around. Come on, Clover. Good girl, Clover. There you go. Kill the bird. All right, shoot him next time. Get it, Tim. Get it. Get it. Those suckers are... Yeah, you just barely nicked him. Good girl. That's Jim's bird. Oops, coming up front, Jim. Take the one. I had my gun up for a while there, but I kept both my eyes open. Come on, Clover. I did not close an eye. Soft, Clover. Hold him. Hold him. Good girl. Eurasian duck. So far, I'm cycling up, coming up the pipe here, boys. Coming in hot. That's going to be hot. Not so hot now. Coming in kind of slow. First one, I just nicked him.
That guy's cycling fine,
Hopefully Clover can find him. Catch him up, Clover. Get him, Copper. Get in there and get him. Get him, Clover. Catch him up. Dead bird. Copper, get in there and get that bird. Where's the bird? Oh, we may have trouble finding some of these if they can't cover the ground. Dead bird. Fetch it up. Dead. Dead bird. Fetch it up. Dead bird. Good boy, Copper. Fetch it up. Dead bird. Dead bird. Fetch it up. Dead bird. Dead. Fetch it up. Good girl, Clover. Dead. I don't know where the heck it went down. Dead bird. Good girl, Clover. Dead. Good girl, Clover. Dead. Oh, she got it. Right there, Clover. You got it. Clover, Copper, come. Clover. Good girl. Copper, dead bird. Dead bird. Dead. Good girl, Clover. I can see it, but... Good girl, Clover. Good girl. She had to get downwind of it. Good girl, Clover. Good girl. Get him. Get him up. Good girl, Clover. Good girl. Get him, Clover. Get him, Clover. She can't get to it because the snow's too deep. Get it, Clover. Good girl, Clover. Copper, leave it. Copper, come on, buddy. Good boy. Good girl, Clover. It was right on the edge. Good girl. Hold it, Clover. Oh, that's a hawk. Come right over the haystacks, Jim. Over the haystacks. Coming in hot. Well, he might have been a little bit... Come here, Clover. Clover. Copper. He might have been a little further out there than I was guessing. Oh, coming behind us, Jim. See if he loops back around you. Oh, right over your head.
Good shot.
Fetch him up. Well, I got him with quite a few of those.
Did you see the feathers down here?
Yep, I got a lot of shot into him. He was. girl, Clover. Right here. Hold it, hold it, hold it. Got it. Yes. That one is not flopping around. I hear you, big boy. He's just happy to be here. Oh, coming to our left, Jim. If he crosses right in front of him, I'll give him to you, buddy. Oh, he went the other way. He saw me and said, heck, no. Oh, hey, here he comes. You ready, Jim? You see him? He's just floating right about over the ditch. He's about to land in the trees. Sneak up there and shoot him out of the trees. You can't miss him. There's a couple of them flying, buzzing behind us here. They went the other way. There's a couple of them buzzing in. They're all coming over the hill over there. That's a robin. Oh boy, it's a good thing your gun misfired. It was a robin. You was rocking that, gonna rock that robin, weren't you? There's Jim rocking robins. That's a dead bird. Bring it here. Good boy, Copper. Clover, leave him alone, Clover. Clover, leave him alone. Good boy. Hold it, Copper. Clover, leave it alone. Good boy, Copper. Hold it, hold it. Got him. I got him. One-handed. Oh, didn't fucking eject. Son of a bitch. One-handed. Whack. Bring it here, Clover. Did you get it? Dead bird. Dead bird. I didn't even see it. Dead bird. Dead bird. I don't know where it went. I was too busy. Dead bird. Dead. Dead bird. Dead bird. Where did that bird drop? I'm gonna have to view. Dead bird. Fetch it up. Dead bird, fetch up. Dead. I don't remember where it was. A one-handed shot. Dead bird. I'm gonna have to take my camera off and review the footage. Dead. Oh, there it is. Right here. Copper, good boy, Copper. There it is. Good boy, bring her, Copper. Copper, hold it, hold it. Good boy. There we go. I knew it was close to shooting from right here. I knew it was within 20 yards at me. Yes. 11, 12. 12 right there. I get some more shells. Oh boy. I gotta get back over to my shooting gallery there. We're missing birds. Oh, right. Yeah, those are pigeons. But there's a whole bunch of... Oh, coming right over us, Jim. You see that bird? Now you don't. Woo! He was coming in hot. He was hot to trot. I put a severe hurting on him. See, that didn't load up right, Jim, so I'm going to put the next shell in. I can tell. Good girl, Clover. Leave it, leave it, leave it. Drop it, drop it, leave it. So I can tell that one didn't load up right. Oh. Get him, Clover. Good golly, Marge, I'm hot today. So I'm going to, just in case, I'm going to put another shell in. I'm ejecting that. No, that's a robin. Robin! Bring here, Clover. Good girl, drop it. There's two birds on this footage here. Oh, I gotta ring that one's net. Oh, coming behind us, Jim. This one's coming. Oh, get him. I don't think so. Get him, Clover. Right here, Jim. That bird gonna die? Did I hit him? I don't know if I hit him. I shall go see. Copper, back here. Nope, he must have floated. Oh, good girl, Clover. He did drop. Good girl. He's dead as a beaver hat. Come here. Yep, we got him. Didn't look like I got him, but the fast steel must have punctured his little heart or his lungs. Oh, right in front, Jim. Oh, good. Get him, Clover. Go get him, Clover. Go get him. Go get him, Clover. Fetch him up. Dead bird. Go get him, Copper. Yeah, you got that one. I miss these ones that are going this way. Copper's going for the cow pie. Both went for the cow pie. Dead bird. Dead bird, fetch it up. While they're over there, we gotta keep track of where any of the birds drop. Behind you. Clover, back. Copper, back. There's a lot of blood by it. Somebody will get it right here. Copper picked it up right there. Good girl, Clover. Good girl. Bring it here, Clover. Clover, bring it here. Good boy, Copper. That's Jim's bird. There. Oh, hold on. Got some birds coming, working our way, Jim. Coming in high. Coming in hot, coming in high. Whack! Didn't load. Coming in hot. Good girl, Clover. Coming in high, Jim. Coming in high. Come here, Clover. Soft. Drop it. Clover. No. Hey, you guys settle down. In this stuff. On my side of the fence or this? Dead bird. In the feedlot or? It's buried in the snow. Clover, dead bird. Dead. Clover, Copper, dead. Here it is. He's gonna land in the trees. No, he's not. He's gonna land in the poop slop. Gary. Take him, Jim. Oh, yeah, take him, take him. There you go, Jim. See how that shoots? Clover splattered water in my face. Go get him, Clover. Back, Clover, back. She didn't see it go down. She couldn't see it because... Oh, I couldn't get it. Back, Clover. Good girl, back. Back. Clover, back. Back, Clover. Clover, look at me. Back. Copper. Clover, gosh dang it. Good boy, Copper. Good boy. There goes a bunny. Copper got it. Well, these little dogs are going to be tore up here. Come here, Copper. Copper, come here. Copper, leave him alone. We'll hold it. Hold it. He's pretty live. Boy, he's a fat one, too. That's Jim's Eurasian dove. Get ready, Jim. Get him, Cover. Dead bird, fetch up, Cover. She can smell it. There he is. Good girl. Good girl, Clover. Don't drop it in the cow pie. That was dead. I almost had a double. I was pretty sure I nicked it. Oh, here comes one down the pipe, Jim. Two of them down the pipe. They're coming in. They're coming in hot. I'll take the one on the right. That's your shot right there. I shot over the tractor. I shot over the tractor. Come here, Clover. Good girl. Hold it, hold it. Come here, Clover. Bring it here. Clover! Clover! Come here! Bring it here. Right there. Get it, Clover. Copper's going to get that one. Clover, come. Clover, come. Get it, Copper. Oh, Clover's going to get it because Copper got stuck in the fence. Oh, Clover got it. Come on, Clover. There's a couple birds on here. Come on, Clover. Bring it here. Bring it here, Clover. Good girl. That's Jim's bird. So this boat carrier definitely is a little different shape than the one that broke on me. So it's just grinding down the receiver. Oh, well, that sucker's coming in hot. Good golly, Marge, he's coming in hot. Whoa, boy, he was hot. Did he go down?
I didn't see him.
Oh, no. You find that tree. Come here, Clover. He didn't go down, Clover. But this one right coming in front of us, he might go down. He might. They're coming in some kind of fiercely hot right now. Keep coming in, Jim. He's all yours. Thanks, Jim. I caught myself freaking sight looking, trying to run off. Come on, Copper. Get him, Copper. Copper, go get him. Copper. Copper, over here. Back. Copper, come on. Come on, Copper. Get him. You haven't got a bird. Copper. Copper, come. Copper, over here. Copper. Come here, Copper. Get him. Come on, Copper, come. Good boy. Clover, leave him alone, Clover. Clover, leave him alone. Clover, leave him alone. Good boy, Copper. There's a couple of them. They're swinging our way, Jimbo. Clover. Clover, over here. Dead bird. Won't cycle. Dead bird. Dead bird, fetch it up. Clover. Dead bird, right here. Dead. Dead bird, fetch it up. Good girl, Clover. Jim coming behind us, Jim. We'll drop it.